Hello?
Hi, my name is Mark and I'm calling from Medicare Supplement Advisor on a recorded line. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am also fine, sir. Thank you so much for asking me. Actually, based on our records, I see that you may qualify for a plan that will help you with your healthcare expenses. So, do you have Medicare Part A and B active right now?
Yes.
Alright. And so, do you pay your additional medical expenses like deductibles, co-pays, prescription medication out of your own pocket sometimes?
Yes.
Right. And sir, we can help you to lower down your co-pays and deductibles and also make you eligible for some benefits which you don't receive but you are qualified for that, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So do you have any other supplement insurance like TRICARE, GMP, Humana, Medicaid, any of them?
No.
Alright. So sir, one last question. Do you have a red, white and blue card, right?
Yes. Do you want me to go get it?
Alright. And sir, how you pronounce your first and last name?
My last name is Grinnell.
And your first name is Joseph, that's right?
No. Joseph is a nephew of mine, and he's an alcoholic and a drunk and a thief, but I mean that with all due respect. I'm Robert. My name is Robert Grinnell.
Oh, okay. Your name is Walter Garnell. Alright.
No,
And sir, what's your
Robert.
zip code?
So R is in Romeo, O is in Oscar, E is in Bravo, E is in Echo, R is in Romeo, T is in Tango.
Okay, so what's your zip code?
48126.
48126, that's right?
Yes.
Alright, sir. And you're living in Michigan, that's right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Perfect. So that's all information from my side. Now I have a Medicare specialist with me on the line in your state. He will going to provide you all the codes and benefits about your Medicare, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So may I have your permission to transfer this call with a Medicare specialist, even if your number is listed or any federal or state do not call this, okay, sir?
Yes.
Alright, sir. Do me a little favor when the agent pick up the call. You told him you want to receive your additional benefits about your Medicare, okay?
Okay, it's upstairs. It'll take a few moments to get there.
Okay, sir. Bear with me. I will connect you after a few minutes. The agent will be shortly, okay?
Excuse me. That happens every time I smoke Hindu Kush. Just another set of stairs.
Okay, no problem.
And let me dig
You're
through
just
the door.
moments away from speaking with one of our representatives. Please remain on the line for the next available representative.
Okay, I got my card.
Alright, so stay on the line after recording the specialist shortly.
We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible. We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible.
Stay on the line, sir, after the recording specialist shortly, okay?
Okay.
We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible.
So, sir, can you spell your last name for me? It's Greinel, so can you spell it for me?
Okay, I can stay a bit longer.
Okay.
We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible.
Alright. So, sir, how's the weather today in your state?
I'm sorry, can you repeat the question?
I said, how's the weather today in your state?
Oh,
We are currently
it's
experiencing
55
high call volume.
degrees.
Please stay on the
It's a
line, and a
little bit-
representative will be with you as soon as possible.
It's still a little
Okay,
bit cold
sir.
for me. My bones hurt.
Alright, sir. So, by the way, sir, how old are you?
We are currently
I'm
experiencing high call
79.
volume. Please stay on the line,
Okay.
and a representative will be with you as soon as possible. We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the
I believe
line,
you have
and
a
a
good health,
representative will be with you as soon as possible.
Alright, sir.
I'm sorry, can you repeat?
I said, do you have a good health?
Well,
We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible.
Well, I have chlamydia, and I have syphilis, and I have herpes, and I have HIV, and I have testicular cancer, and
We are
I have
currently
erectile
experiencing high
dysfunction.
call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible. We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible.
So, how many siblings you have, sir?
How many do I'm sorry.
We are currently experiencing high call volume. Please stay on the line, and a representative will be with you as soon as possible.
You asked me how many of something I have?
Hello.
Hello?
Speaking with Mr. Robert Serino, right?
No, my name is Robert Grinnell.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. Well, sir, actually, I talked to you before a few days regarding additional benefits, and you wanted to give you a call back. Do you remember?
I'm 79 years old. I don't remember breakfast, but I'll take your word for it.
Mr. Robert, well, actually, I will explain. The reason of call is that this short call is about Medicare benefits, and we are providing extra additional benefits on Medicare without any cost. So I believe you have Medicare Part A and B, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So, do you pay any co-pays whenever you visit the doctor?
Yes.
So, Robert, no problem. We will help you to lower down your co-pays as much as we can and provide you extra additional benefits without any cost, like free and dental prescription transportation. So, Mr. Robert, I got your zip code is 48126 in Michigan. Is it correct?
Yes.
And Robert, do you have any major health issues like cancer, heart patient, high blood pressure, diabetes?
Well, I have chlamydia. I have syphilis. I have herpes. I have HIV. I have testicular cancer. And I have a erectile dysfunction.
All right. And are you receiving any kind of benefits from TRICARE or veteran policy?
No.
All right. And what is the name of your secondary insurance provider, like a Humana, Aetna, Blue Cross, Blue Shield?
All I have is Medicare Part A and Part B.
All right. So, Mr. Robert, are you able to make your own decision for Medicare?
Well, I'll be able to make my own decisions on December 1st. At the moment, I'm technically under the control of a social worker. I had a little legal problem earlier this year where I drank a bottle of Jim Beam, and then I went to this Victoria's Secrets shop, and then I saw this real nice mannequin, and I tried humping the mannequin, and I got arrested. But luckily, I have a real good lawyer, Saul Goodman, who found a psychologist to tell the judge that I was just having a fugue episode. So I'm on probation until December 1st, and on December 1st, I can make my own healthcare decisions.
Well, officer, I'm just going to connect you, and my officer, he will help you. He will show you all the new details and new updates, which is recently approved in your area. If you find something better, if you think if it is affordable, it is beneficial, so you can choose it as an option. Otherwise, Mr. Robert, there is no cost and no obligation on you. You don't provide your consent as a condition of service, okay?
Okay.
Stay on the line. And
Okay.
Mr. Robert, you are 79 years old, right?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Robert, do you smoke or not?
Well, I smoke crystal meth and crack cocaine and Cuban cigars and nicotine cigarettes and hookahs.
Okay. So, Mr. Roberts, let me tell you, I'm going to connect you with one of my licensed agents. He will give you all the new dates. By speaking to our officer, you are agreed to our policy and authorize us to contact you even if you are on any do not call list. And you don't provide your consent as a condition of service. Would that be okay?
Okay.
Stay on the line. I'm going to connect you.
Okay.
Hello, thank you so much, sir, for picking the phone. I have a Mr. Robert Torino on the line residing in Michigan. Zip code is 48126. He is interested about the additional benefits. Here you go, check over the phone, okay?
Okay, yeah, Mr. Robert, my name is Andy Brown from Verification Department. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. Just wanted to make sure that you understand this call is about Medicare, and I believe you have Medicare Part A and B, is that right?
Yes.
Mr. Robert, do you have any retirement plan through your previous job?
I'm sorry. Can you repeat the question?
I just saying, do you have any retirement plan through your previous job?
No.
Are you able to make your own decisions about your Medicare plan, right?
I'll be able to make my own decisions on December 1st. At the moment, I'm on probation and under the control of a senior worker until December 1st. I had a little legal problem earlier this year where I drank a whole bottle of Jim Beam, and then I went to a Victoria's Secret store, and then I tried to hump a mannequin, and then I got arrested. But luckily, I have this real good lawyer.
This conference. Hi, good afternoon. This is David with Medicare Department at Healthcare Benefits. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks for asking. May God bless you, sir. Actually, this call is about your Medicare Part A and B. Do you have Medicare Part A and B?
Yes.
Okay, great. The rates of your Medicare supplement plan may have dropped down by 35%. So this time of the year, you have a chance to get additional benefits on your Medicare plan.
Yes, I
order
want
to
to
determine
save
the best
money.
plan for you, please tell me how old are you?
I'm 79.